Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, welcome back with me, Arif Al Muhajir, in my channel. It's a long time not we meet in the tutorial by Task Mr. Daddy, and we meet again. In this occasion, I will inviting you to clear about the Superlabs number 6. This is the Superlab number 6, and we will clearing of this topology. Okay, let's begin. First, we go in the switch, enable config terminal. We go to in the global mode. We do trunk in the fast Ethernet 0/1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, then we go in the ESP1 router. No, enable configure terminal. We enter in the global mode, then we take the IP fast Ethernet is 1/0, no shutdown. IP address 11.11.11.1. The subnet mask /24. Okay, and then we go in the setting interface. We exit first. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown. We activate the router, then the IP address is 12.12.12.1. The subnet mask is this /24, and then we setting the routing route rip. The version is to network 11.11.11.0, network again 12.12.12.0, like this. Exit, do right. Okay, and then we go in the switch from the router PT IDN. This we go in the switch first. In this switch, we first make the VLAN 10, name SD, VLAN 20, name SMP. I'm sorry, name SMP. VLAN 30, name SME. Do right. Oh, we take the interface. Exit. Interface fast Ethernet 0/2. Switch port. Mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Then we find the tree for mode access, without access VLAN 20. Interface fast Ethernet 4. Mode access VLAN 30. Okay, do right. And then we go in the router. We make the sub interface for the VLAN already we built. Configure terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. I'm sorry, fast Ethernet 0/1. Oh, 1/0. I'm sorry, 1/0. Now shutdown. Then we make the sub interface. Then encapsulation.1q 10 IP address. Sorry, IP address 50.50.50.1 to 55. This is the subnet mask dot 0, and then subinterface 20 encapsulation.1q20. The address we change with the 20 because this 20.20.20.1. Okay, then we make the interface 30 encapsulation.1q 30, and then we make the IP address. We correct the IP address 25.25.25.1. Okay, then we make the IP DHCP pool. CP pool, exit first. IP DHCP pool VLAN 10 network 15.15.15.0, because this is the network. 255 the subnet mask 0. Okay, default router is 15.15.15.1. DNS server is DNS server Google 9.9.1.9, and we make the DHCP pool VLAN 20. Network is 20.20.20.20. The default router we change the 20.20.20, and then the DNS server Google, we make the DHCP pool VLAN 30. Network we change with the 25. Okay, the default router we change, sorry, like this, and then DNS server. Okay, we do so run, we check. Okay, is correct. Okay, okay, then we exit and save, do write with the do write, and then we request the IP from the PC. Okay, this is answered the request. Okay, the PC3. Okay, and done in the router below. Then we go in this router SPF. CLI no, enable your terminal. Then first we setting in the the network 10. Okay, this is fast Ethernet 1/0. Interface fast Ethernet 1/0. No shutdown. Then we take the IP address 10.10.10.1 to 55.255.255.0. Okay, this is the make the what the default router, the gateway router. I'm sorry, and then we take the IP DHCP full DHCP network 10.10.10.0 The default router is 10.10.10.1 DNS server Google, and then okay, exit and do right. Exit.
Do you want to buy
To yes, I'm yes, I'm repeat dulu.
yellow rice?
Yes, yellow rice. This is my friend, and yeah, and we next in the tutorial. Okay, we request the IP from the PC. This the unsworn, the unsworn PC2 unsworn, PC3 is unsworn too, and PC4 yes unsworn too. Okay, and then we redistribute. First, we ping from the HVLAN. Okay, we ping from the HVLAN. We must success in the first in the HVLAN. Okay, success, and we ping from this success and successful. Okay, and then this we must check it from the ping. Okay, and then the different VLAN cannot the different of network cannot still cannot connecting because we not yet setting the redistribute from the cache from the signature. This is must file. Okay, then let's go we setting for the redistribute. Redistribute. No, enable, configure terminal, interface, fast Ethernet 0/3. No switchboard. We non-active with the function of switch and activated the function of router. IP address 12.12.12.2.255.255.255.0, and then we setting the IP router rip. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, thank you very much for your help. IP routing. This is the activated the function of router, and then we configuration with the static route rip, the version of 2. We make the network is 12.12.12.0, and then we let's setting for the redistribute IGRP 10 the question mark. Okay, question mark, metric, question mark. This is the we take the one, then the redistribute SPF, SPF for the floating rib, SPF one, question mark, metric, question mark. We take the one, okay, then we exit it. Then we go in the interface Ethernet 0/2, no switch port, and then we go in the route AGRP10 network is 23.23.23.0. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, we not yet take the IP address, right? No, router IGRP first. We in the interface fast Ethernet this IP address 23.23.23.2 255.255.255.0. Then we go in the router IGRP 10. The network is this. Mm, network. Oh, we not yet setting the AGRP from this network 23.23.23.0 and then network um, this dot 0 20.20.20.0 5 5 5 0 no personal to right interface computer slash 0 IP address that one. Okay, we not yet setting from the router PTIDN from the last, and I'm sorry, and we just setting it. This is the agency for the router IGRP. Okay, exit. Mm, we still in the this, and we redistribute router IGRP10. redistribute, rip, question mark, metric, question mark. This is we can take the one dot space one space one space one space one. Okay. Then we take the redistribute SPF SPF one question mark metric question mark one plus one plus one plus one plus one. Okay, enter. Exit to right, and then we setting in the interface fast alternate 0/1 no sweet port. Interface we not yet setting from this, right? Interface fast alternate 0/0 shutdown IP address but 1.255.255.255.0, then OSPF router OSPF1 network is 24.24.24.0. The wildcard is this area 0. This is 10 10.10.10. Okay, all right. Okay, and we take this no sweet port, and then we take the IP address 24.24.24.2 255.250. Kemudian and then router SPF 1 router SPF 1 enter network 24.24.24.0. The wildcard is this 255 area 0. We do right, and we okay agency. The signature is agency. Okay, and then we setting the redistribute from this redistribute rip quest mark. Okay, and then we take the subnet quest mark, then the tag space quest mark. This is we take the one, then we redistribute for the agrp 10 quest mark subnet quest mark, and then the tag quest mark tag one. Do right. Okay, We if we done on the redistribute, we check from the another network with the ping for the this network from to this network. We check it if successful. Um, Signature we success for the topology. Okay, server we ping for all of um, this PC success success. And the last we setting the access list from the signature before the access list PC with the net with the IP 15.15.15.15.2 can ping to the server of the to the server successful with the signature of successful, right? This is the IP 15.15.15.2. Okay, success. And if we setting the access list will be cannot do ping for this with the signature we ping for the command prompt first, and this is before we setting of the access list ping. The IP of the server is 11.11.11.2. This is a reply to signature success. Okay, and we will setting the access list. Access list one deny IP 15 15.50.50.2 50.50.50.2. The wildcard is this 255. Okay, access list one permit any. This is the setting to configuration can accept what we deny from the this IP. Okay, and then interface fast Ethernet 1/0 IP access group one um, access group one out, because from the router out to the this. Okay, to right, and we check from the our setting from the access list. We ping the physical from to the server must be failed must be failed for the IP 15.15.15.0. Okay, and if we ping with the command prompt the same, the has conclude 11.11.11.2. This is the IP for the server. This is destination host unreachable. Alright, if we ping with this must be success because this is not setting with the access list ping the IP server to reply. Okay, maybe until this what I can explaining to you. Thank you for your attention from the begin after after until The end. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.